Hello and welcome back. From this video, we are going to start the second section of our C programming course. And in this section, we are going to deal with the basic terminology in C programming, where we are going to discuss about variables, data types, qualifiers, and the problems related to these concepts will be discussed in this section. Now, we are going to start this section with our first video where we are going to discuss about we are going to have the first intuition on coding, and whatever we are going to learn in this video, these concepts will be applicable to any programming language, whatever the programming languages that are available in the market. So for those programming languages, these concepts will be applicable. So what I suggest is we are going to start our discussion with this simple program. So I suggest you to pause this video for a while, just for 2 minutes. Try to understand, try to read out these lines. So just read out these lines and try to grab these words. Okay, so what these words are, just try to have that understanding about this program. Okay, so coming back, so the very three important words that we need to understand in this program are, so these are the concepts, these are the words that we need to understand. So the first one is this main, this word called main. And this one, the opening brace and the closing brace, so the braces, okay, the curly braces. And the next one is these two lines of code. The first point is the compiler will identify this word called main, and it will start its execution from this word main. Try to understand this. So any program will get executed from main. Whatever that is there within this main will get executed by the compiler. And who is going to set those boundaries? Means what is from where to where the content belongs to main. So it will be set by these curly braces. And this one is opening brace and this one is closing brace. Whatever that is present within these opening and closing braces will be considered as the part of this main. Okay. So that is the second point. So whatever that is there within the opening and closing braces of the main, that will only get executed by the compiler. Try to understand this point. And the third point is, and very important point is, the program will be executed. Whatever the content that is there in the main will get executed line by line. So what does that mean is, in this program we are having two lines of code. First, this line will get executed, and after executing completely this line, the second line will get executed, and after the third line will get executed. And why this intuition is very important is, so with this intuition, we can write the programs efficiently. So what does that mean? So whenever you are attempting a placement exams or competitive exams, so this intuition will help you a lot in solving the problems. Programs means we are going to solve some problem. By using the program, we will solve some programs. Now, with this intuition of how the compiler will execute the main, how the compiler will execute the lines in the main, it will execute line by line. Now, with this intuition, we will be able to understand where to start and what is going to be our next line. So to solve a problem, we need a starting point, right? So from where we have to start and what could be the next line, so that thinking will be developed by this understanding. So what is our understanding is, everything within the main will get executed line by line. Okay, so these are the three very important points that you need to have before starting the discussion about the concepts of C programming. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we will start our discussion with variables.